Hi, my name is Atlas Zirconium, and I am a mystical life coach with Masters of Self University. And I want to talk about one of the biggest shifts that I've had in my awareness through the coaching program with MSU. And it's been really understanding the difference between independence and self responsibility. I've always been a very independent woman in many ways. And society gives us a lot of feedback to be super independent, which is beautiful and great and fucking important. Yet it's always been with a sense of force for me, and control and rigidity. I didn't trust other people. I didn't want to let other people into my life. I didn't want to depend on other people. I didn't want to be codependent in a relationship with a partner. And so it like I've always been very I'm going to do this shit on my own, and I'm going to do it the best. I'm going to do it the most efficiently. I'm going to do it how I want it to be done. And this came with a lot of just, I don't know, it was lonely. But like, I thought that that was being independent. Like, I thought that that was like, I'm gonna, like if everybody else dies on the planet, like I got my shit covered. And that's not independent. It's scared, it's fearful, it's rigid, it's closed off, it's dismissive. And now I really see like my taking from that independence and putting it into self responsibility. That is me needing help sometimes, and me softening, and me allowing my partner to have his needs and showing up for him in a way that, like, maybe I have to put myself on a back burner for a little bit because that's an unconditional love. And I didn't make that connection before this work. And even being able to like show up for my children, they're both adults now, but like showing up for my children in a way that isn't like protecting myself and controlling the situation in their lives. Like that is how I thought that this level of independence, like what we as women need to do, needed to happen. And it's not for me. I'm speaking for for myself. But yeah, self responsibility is where it's at. And with that takes a shit ton of softening and acknowledgement of programs that I am running, that I have been running for 43 years. And I'm finally like understanding that I want to be self responsible, not independent. So I just wanted to share that today. And I really appreciate you listening. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Thanks.